Okay, let us study about the challenges or the problems of retailing in India. There are 8 important challenges or problems that are faced by the retailers in India. The first one is the international standards. The second one is inefficient supply chain management. The third one is lack of retail space. The fourth one is cultural diversity. The fifth one is real estate issues. The sixth one is human resource problems. The seventh one is frauds in retail. The eighth one is poor infrastructure. So let us go one by one. The international standards. Since in India more number of unorganized sectors are found in retailing, so they are not keeping the standards of the international level. Since the entry of foreign players to India, especially in retailing, so they are going to make the standards toward up to the international mark. For that particular reason, international standard, so having even it is having 5 million retail outlets of different sizes and styles, it is still has a long way to go before it can truly have a retail industry at par with international standards. So where the Indian companies and international brands have to play a huge role. So the second one is inefficient supply chain management. Since you have to understand where the manufacturing happens is. So like in India, the foreign players, how it is going, the products, whatever they produce, they understand easily about the Indian customers, how they are going to make the reaching of their products to the particular market. Since in unorganized sector also, so India is still dominated in unorganized sector, even you are not getting the products on time, the customers definitely dissatisfied. But in India, the Indian customers are having high tolerance level. For that particular reason, he may be waiting for a longer time. So supply chain, so they don't have proper planning, especially in a supply chain, how the product must reach the particular retailer, and definitely so that it is the business happens freely with the retailers and customers. This is the second important problem. The third one is the lack of retail place or space. You have to understand the retailers are going to invest huge money on their interiors and exteriors. So how the customers are going to come, they are going to make the standardization, since depending on how the competitors are playing. And if the competitors are putting more number of strategies, definitely the other type of existing retailers should make some changes upon. So the how to locate the decision is not properly taking place for the selection of the retail area where to operate, and also inside the retailing area. So if it is less than 500 square feet, it is very hard to understand and where to park. If the customer comes to the retail area, how he is going to park his vehicle, or other types of areas, how to get it done. All these are very important if it is not according to the international standard, especially in India. Cultural diversity is another important problem here. So in India is a very diversified country, so you are going to find the taste and the lifestyle definitely differs from place to place. If you talk about North Indian food style, South Indian food style, their lifestyle definitely differs. So a retailer should understand, adjust with this diversification. If the cultural diversity is more, definitely it is hard to do the business, especially in retailing. So that is another important problem. The next one is the real estate issue. Since for the major cities in India, the price value, the price of the particular places where to locate, the rental, the proprietors or the owners of the particular places, they are going to demand more number of what we called as the prices for their what we call as for their particular space. So for the supermarkets or hypermarkets, their area should be very, very big. It is more than 1 to 1.5 lakhs of what we call as square feet of area to operate. So it is very difficult to get. That is what we call as real estate issue. The human resource problems also. The training, the lack of training, the recruitment is not properly happening, and so the people are not placing properly according to the levels. So you will find there also in a retail business also you will find more number of levels. Each and every levels, what is the role to play? There is the people are not getting highly skilled or trained people for their particular work. So next one is the frauds in retail. It is one of the primary challenge of the company would have to face frauds, including vendor frauds, thefts, shopliftings, inaccuracy in supervision and administration are very, very high level what we call as problems that is placed by the particular retailers. So the last one is the poor infrastructure. The lack of poor infrastructure and distribution channels in a country results in inefficient in the what we called as the processes. So this is a major hindrance for retailers as a non-efficient distribution channels is a very difficult to handle and can result in huge losses. Infrastructure is one of the important area where how the transportation system of the particular country or towards the particular city is. What is the railway system is, what is the what we called as the roadway system is, what is the airway system is, what is the waterway system is. All these should be efficient. The proper water supply, power supply, approach, parking area, all these are very, very important. And at the same time, infrastructure providers, like especially in any country, you will find the infrastructure providers are government. Government should be strong enough to make these challenges or the problems should go. Okay. So these are the problems of retailing that is faced by India. In the next session, we are going to study about the behavior, what we called as the consumer behavior of retailing.